Did you know? Thanksgiving is the leading day for home cooking fire. Here are the top 7 tips to prevent an accidental fire in your home. Check smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors. Make sure they are operating properly and do this every 6 months. Never leave cooking or heating appliances unattended. Make sure to remain near the stove and/or oven whenever it is in use. Similarly, space heaters should never be left on for extended periods of time. Keep grills and smokers away from the home. Position the appliance at least 10 feet from the property's siding and deck railings and out from underhanging branches that could catch fire. Inspect and clean wood stove pipes and chimneys. Conduct regular maintenance on any wood-burning areas and check monthly for potential damage or obstruction. Refuel portable generators outdoors. Generators should never be used or refueled indoors. Ensure proper ventilation when maintaining. Always keep a fire extinguisher. Check the labeling to be sure that your extinguisher has been inspected and is up to code. Your kitchen and garage are excellent places to keep extinguishers. Develop a fire escape plan. It is important to prepare for the unexpected. Make sure you and your family know what to do and where to go in the event of a fire. While there is no one foolproof way to prevent a fire from occurring, education is the best way to prepare your property in the event of an unexpected fire. The professionals at PuroClean can restore a home or business to its original state, offering around-the-clock 24/7 support. Call PuroClean today at 1-800-775-7876. PuroClean professionals have been serving communities across the United States and Canada for over 20 years.